So this is how you can get multiple shakes on Opera Mini Shake and Win contest. So here's the Opera browser beta. Click on application details and wipe the cache and app data. And if you're just downloading it, you might not have to do that immediately until after you have used it for one or two things already. So launch the app and let's have it set up. There are about 4 Opera Mini browser applications, if not 5. So I chose to use the Opera browser beta, not Opera Mini. You get me? So Opera browser does not have the Shake and Win logo at the bottom right corner of the screen, unlike Opera Mini browser beta and Opera Mini browser. So you can just take note of that. So I'm just getting my application ready. Alright, so the next thing to do here, you will notice that you might be expecting the green for Shake and Win to show up somewhere on the bottom right corner of the screen, but it doesn't have to, or it will not. So click on the bar and enter opera.com. That's right, and you cannot the logging in through the Opera symbol on the Opera Mini app, then you can just easily go through the link shakewin.opera.com. So after shaking, you just log in, or you just follow this process we're about to use. Alright, so the next thing, the country is set as Nigeria, where the account is from. Then you click on continue. So then you begin to tap or shake, so anyone you wish. So I found 1000 naira free airtime. I'm gonna save my progress by simply logging in. So I input my phone number, so the password. So this automatically saves me that 1000 naira voucher I got. You can see it's showing something here, and I think it was showing in progress before. Now you can in progress. So this side, I guess. So that's how it is done, but not done yet. So after this, the next thing you do is click home tab here, home tab in the same app. Click on the home. So the next thing you do is to, now we're on the home page, right? The phone is a bit slow, so click on the tabs menu and then click on private here. Now plus add new tab. This is a private tab. So a private tab is not linked to the normal tab, so it's more like thing you do on the tab is not really linked to the normal tab. So you're gonna, in reality or in sort of practical now, remember we've logged in already with shakewin.opera.com site on the normal tab, but here we are asked to log in again, so which means that this is a private tab truly. So you just repeat same process that you've done on the normal tab. So here I have 40,000 naira cash voucher. Save your progress. So here you go. Actually, you might have a device that is way faster than the one I'm currently using. So the advantage is yours to have 40 shakes in 1 hour. Okay, and by the 4-hour time frame, I can use my next shake now. Alright, so let me just do that before logging out. Wow, another repetition. This thing seems to be pretty hard. So let me check what I've won. I mean, yeah, this all of these are in progress. I guess you have to shake this more and more. One only 200 naira at a time. So that's just it, and I hope it will help someone. Thanks for watching.